各队注意。
大家可以看到，电闪雷鸣，遥遥领先2号代表队。
预备，好。
It's my first competition, Dragon Boat.
I can't wait to do my first dragon boat race.
Woo! Всем привет!
加油!
We did 3 or 4 different practice sessions. Some of us, because we're journalists, we have to travel for work. We go to some practice we can't go to. And it's great because we're doing it with the foreign ministry, we're doing it with all the other teams here. It's really good to be a part of it.
外国记者龙舟队，
欢迎外国记者龙舟队。
预备，好。
好，比赛开始，比赛开始。在场上的3支代表队分别是1到中国，我们2到中国团，3到外国记者龙舟队。1到紧随其后，2号的领先优势非常明显。3号是外国记者龙舟队。
I'm from Malaysia, but I work with Nikkei Asia. I've been in Shanghai for the past 5 years. Actually, I'm about to finish my posting in Shanghai, leave China for good. And I told myself before I leave, I wanted to leave a good memory of this beautiful city that I've called home for the past 5 years. And here I am.
I moved to Shanghai actually 5 years ago. And immediately I started looking for activities to do. And I met some people that were part of the Shenlong team. So I joined and I immediately fell in love with the sport, so I've been doing it since. I've done a bunch of different races. And today I feel very special because I actually live a couple of buildings down here. So.
I think this race very good because it's very perfect organization.
So we are the Shanghai Dragons. We're a local team. It's an international team, and we've been practicing here in Shanghai ever since 2017.
I feel very nice for this race. It was, I think, very popular. Our team performed very well.
This is our first time doing 100 meter. So this is kind of new for us, the 100 meter, but it's been a great challenge.
Make sure the paddle stays in the water, listen to the drummer, and paddle as hard as you can.